Ano? It is around about 2 p.m. in the afternoon here at Putinkaoi. Anyway, the mango season is almost over, so I'm here looking for Sina so we can go collect mango. I promised her on Sabbath that we're gonna go at 8 a.m. but I slept through. We played grand final, so Sina! Hello! We are heading to pick up mango now. That's our 4 men in front. Yeah, the whole group. I didn't want to go and pick up mango by myself, so I have to go and call the whole family, the whole tribe. Yeah, exercise. So we can collect mango. It's mango seasons in the Philippines almost over now. It's probably last month to go. Taking a detour. We're gonna go get calf for this guy.
It might be close when we're done with mango.
Yeah. Yesterday I almost used his ID to get vegetarian food.
But he didn't have the actual ID.
I went to the lady and said, no, we want the ID, the physical ID card. So I used his wife's card somewhere down there. So yeah, we get calf food first before we get mango.
Non-vegetarian food not allowed.
Inside Mana dining hall. Cool. Okay.
Thank you.
Oh, I can feel the aircon. This is like the new cafeteria area just recently built. This cafeteria, the campus cafeteria, is a vegetarian cafeteria. It's one of my favorite cafeteria as a vegetarian. So yesterday I came here, I have lunch here. Now I followed Ricky to come here also and get some vegetarian food and then go home and eat it. Hopefully. They haven't put out any good food yet, so we are here like first lot, so they're just slowly putting food out. It's a beautiful afternoon and you can see afar all the way. That's Laguna Batangas Way. And then on that side is Pasig.
What's your name?
And then the wind turbine is there. I forgot the name of the place, but anyway, this is the Laguna Lake. Our mango journey continues. We just finished getting food from the cafeteria. Now we are going to the alumni village to get mango. Alumni village is just right there. So yeah, they have some good mangoes there, so we are heading there. Let's collect the mango before the season ends. I think this month is the last month of mango season, so try to make use of it, and then one here will turn around. Anyway, I'm talking gibberish. That's more. There are two student groups that usually come and pick mangoes every afternoon. The Myanmar student and the Pacific Island student. We kind of the main people that collect mangoes around here, so as you can see, this one and that one, it was not us, so it's definitely the Myanmar people. Anyway, people, they don't come, so you see there's some fresh ones. Hold. Look at this child trying to climb. Anyway, most of the mangoes falls around here are fresh. Like they just fall if it's windy. So I always just come here, collect this. Sina always want to climb, so tells the husband to climb.
If Alo can do it, I can.
See, still fresh. Mango. All right, I'll catch it. We have 2 Vietnamese students here also coming for mangoes. Anyway, we are done from here collecting mango. This vlog is about collecting mango. Once in a year, collecting mango. Me and this group, same old squad. Anyway, the Vietnamese student came here with us, joined us for a while, and then they left with a bag of mango. And the Myanmar came before that, so we were kind of in the middle. At least we got something. We stopped to take the sunset pictures before we can go. Beautiful sunset. Anyway, I'm gonna end this vlog with this beautiful sunset. The mango season is finally come to an end with Philippines. I think 1 month to go. See you on the next one.